Hello there. Okay, now the Tinker app is very easily downloaded from the self-service store, or if you want to, you can download it from the App Store. But basically, if you look for this red Tinker app, open it up. First time you open it, it may ask you if you're at home or at school. If it does, choose at school. In this case, I will just close the cross. And I'm now going to click Projects. Now in this case, I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to scroll down the page until I see this one called Game Elements. Now this is a really good starting point for a game, so I'm going to click that, and I'm going to choose this next one, which is called Direction Keys. Direction Keys is a great little game. It does have instructions here, but we're going to ignore those because I'm going to talk you through the instructions anyway. So basically here you have a helicopter on your screen, and when you press play, the helicopter will bounce back and forth. The direction buttons will let you change the direction of the helicopter, although it will bounce of course, and it bounces around. The right button doesn't work, but we're going to fix that in the next lesson. See if you can get up to there.